right, so today we don't have a new lesson. We're going to apply what we learned yesterday to a short project. And as you can see, it's part one. We are going to extend this project over multiple days. This project is pretty simple. First thing you're going to do is you're going to choose a survey question, and you need to make sure to choose a question that has a numerical answer. For example, how many pets do you own? Right, they can actually answer that with a number. How many times a day do you put your shoes on? I don't know. You can use any type of question that's interesting to you. How many movies do you watch in a week? Things like that. Any question you'd like to choose, but you have to make sure it's a numerical answer. So it can't be a question like, do you like chocolate ice cream better or vanilla ice cream better? Or what flavor of ice cream do you prefer? That's not a question that'll work because they can't answer that with a number, right? If you say, what flavor of ice cream do you prefer? That's not a numerical answer. So it has to be a question that has a numerical answer. Now you could ask them, how many times a week do you usually eat ice cream? And then they can give a numerical or a number. When I say a numerical, that just means a number answer. All right, then you're going to gather your data. These spots are for each of your data pieces. So let's say I choose the survey question, how many times a week do you eat ice cream? And I go and I ask and I talk to somebody and they say 1. So I put a 1 here. And then I talk to someone else and they put a 0 here. Or they say 0 and I put a 0 there, and so on. And you write all your data out. Ways to gather data. You can ask your parents and siblings, the people that you are at home with. You can ask them. You can call your family members, grandparents, aunts, uncles, whoever. You can also email classmates. All right, so there's lots of different ways. And I believe there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spots here. You need to get at least 10 pieces of data. More is better, but at least 10. Okay, so don't just come up with 8 and ask me if that's okay. You need to have at least 10. If you want to ask me your question, there's lots of people you can ask. If you want to email somebody or call somebody, I know 10 might seem like a lot, but it'll actually go pretty quick. So you can ask people in this class too. So if you want to send an email out to your classmates, it won't take long. All right, the last thing you're going to do is you're going to take this data and you're going to calculate mean, median, mode, and range. So what we learned yesterday, you are now going to apply it. And that's what we're doing today.